Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ariane and I am a luxury travel advisor based in Vancouver, Canada. And I am in Miami's South Beach. I'm here at the Berkeley Park Hotel, part of the MGallery, which is part of Accor. So it is, Accor has brands such as the Fairmont, Banyan Tree, and other luxury properties. And so the MGallery hotels are essentially boutique style properties. It's a beautiful hotel. It is a Art Deco style hotel here in Miami's South Beach. And I'll show you guys a room tour. But yeah, I am here in Miami. So I did leave Vancouver and I had a red-eye flight. When we landed in Toronto, obviously it was a little bit of a snowstorm. It was a little bit of an interesting landing. We did slide a little bit. And then once I went through US pre-clearance for customs, I then went to the Plaza Premium Lounge, relaxed for about an hour, had some breakfast, and then boarded my flight here to Miami. Didn't really film too much yesterday, so I really started to kind of film today. So I'll start off by showing you guys what I got up to early this morning. I did go out and I checked out Miami's South Beach, so Ocean Drive. So yeah, let's show you guys that footage. Let's go. Here is a room tour of my classic queen room at the Berkeley Park MGallery Hotel Collection. I absolutely love the rainfall shower, and the citrus scented bathroom amenities brought me right back to the Amalfi Coast. The bed was extremely comfortable and the room was very quiet, overlooking the interior courtyard. There was a Keurig coffee maker, a great workspace, a safe that was large enough for both my laptop and camera gear. There was also a mini fridge, and I had a lovely welcome gift of champagne from the general manager. The Berkeley Park Hotel is located only a couple blocks from Miami Beach on 20th Street, and they do provide you with beach chairs, towels, and umbrellas if you do want to have a beach day. They also have an amazing rooftop pool area that I used a couple times during my stay. It was a great little oasis within the city. I absolutely loved walking around Miami's South Beach area. Ocean Drive was a short 15-minute walk from my hotel. I love architecture, so seeing all the perfectly kept Art Deco buildings was a highlight for me. As I walked along Ocean Drive, I saw landmarks such as Gianni Versace's former mansion and unfortunately where he was killed. I had a bite to eat at Bacon Bitch. Unfortunately, I forgot to film it. However, the breakfast sandwiches they offer are really good, so definitely check this place out. I really only had about 24 hours to explore Miami. I'd love to come back and check out some of the other areas of Miami and see Miami's South Beach at night when all the neon lights are lit up. I decided to walk back to my hotel along Miami Beach to see some of the colorful lifeguard stations I had heard about. It's a great walk and I highly suggest walking Miami Beach in the early morning when it's not too hot and there are less people on the beach. Back to the hotel, I stopped in at Rosetta Italian Bakery. The food here was really good. I had a sandwich and cake for dinner from here last night and returned for a Nutella-filled croissant today. It was then time to check out the One Hotel South Beach. I really wanted to check this place out as I really appreciate their sustainability efforts that the One Hotels are doing as a brand. They don't have cut florals in the lobby or the hotel rooms, but living terrariums and living walls. The wood used around the hotel was reclaimed from a pier that was damaged in a hurricane. This art installation of a whale was made solely of garbage that was washed up on the ocean shores.
Yeah, so this wood right here came from a Colorado forest, and basically beetles, they kill the wood. So they infested the entire forest and it turns the wood, so it kills the trees, but it turns them into this beautiful color. So this isn't painted, this is once the beetles kill it, that's why it's called beetle kill wood, it turns into this. So we went ahead and got all of that wood and incorporated it into our design.
The first room I viewed was an oceanfront one-bedroom suite with balcony. I absolutely love the natural feels and vibes of the hotel rooms at the One Hotel South Beach. Other touches and inclusions in each of the rooms here at the One Hotel South Beach are filtered water taps, Nespresso machines, compressed paper hangers made from love notes, maps, and homework, sustainably sourced bedding, yoga mats, Bamford Wellness bathroom amenities, Keetsa mattresses, and HEPA air filters. They also offer a complimentary car drop-off service for guests using their fleet of Audi e-tron vehicles. Even something as little as the Do Not Disturb door hangers were made from cardboard from deliveries to the One Hotel South Beach. They also offer suites with full kitchens, which you'll find in their home collection. The rooftop restaurant named Water serves a Peruvian Japanese-inspired menu. One Hotel South Beach also has an amazing adults-only rooftop pool area with cabanas that can be rented. The beach club at One Hotel South Beach really gave me Bali and Tulum vibes. I loved it. Plant House serves coffee, healthy light bites, and smoothies. Anatomy is one hotel South Beach's 12,000 square foot gym. They also offer fitness classes and other fitness programs here. As a luxury travel advisor, my clients typically receive added benefits when booking vacations, hotel stays, and cruises through me. I'd love to work with you as your travel advisor. Contact me for more information in the description box down below. I then headed back to my hotel to relax and enjoy the rooftop pool for a couple hours. It was then time to head out for dinner, so I walked through the pedestrianized shopping street of Lincoln Avenue to head to Bodega for tacos. The tacos here at Bodega were probably the best I've ever had, and I really loved the playful vibe. I ordered 2 Classico tacos, a carne asada and an al pastor taco, and I also ordered one of their frozen margaritas. I highly suggest checking out Bodega if you're ever visiting South Beach in Miami. So I really hope you enjoyed this episode of me exploring South Beach for the past 36 hours or so. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and also be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. There is now my Scarlet Lady series that is going to be starting next week. So definitely be sure to stick around for that one. I am so excited to be sailing on the Scarlet Lady. I've been watching her since basically conception. So when Virgin Voyages was first announced as a cruise line, I was super excited to follow along on the Scarlet Lady's build journey and everything else. So yeah, very excited to have been invited to go on board and check her out. So stay tuned for that next week. And thanks again so much for watching. Bye!